Samsung Wi-Fi calling not working. Let's fix it with 8 proven methods step by step.
Method 1. Toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on. Open Settings, tap Connections, then tap Wi-Fi calling. Turn the toggle off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Check if the Wi-Fi calling icon appears in your status bar.
Method 2. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, tap Restart, and wait for your phone to boot back up. After restart, make sure Wi-Fi is connected, then check if Wi-Fi calling is active.
Method 3. Enable VoLTE. Wi-Fi calling depends on VoLTE being active. Go to Settings, tap Connections, then Mobile Networks. Find VoLTE calls and turn it on. Then go back and verify Wi-Fi calling is still enabled. Method 4. Reset network settings. This clears corrupted network configurations. Go to Settings, then General Management, then Reset. Tap Reset Mobile Network Settings, and also reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After the reset, restart your phone and reconnect to Wi-Fi.
Method 5. Update your phone software. Go to Settings, then Software Update. Tap Download and Install. If an update is available, install it and restart your phone. Software updates often fix carrier settings bugs.
Method 6. Contact your carrier. If the Wi-Fi calling toggle keeps turning itself off, your carrier may not have provisioned VoWiFi on your account. Call your carrier support line and ask them to enable Wi-Fi calling on your line. Method 7. Reseat your SIM card. Power off your phone, use the SIM ejector tool to remove the tray. Wait 30 seconds, then reinsert the SIM. For eSIM users, go to SIM Manager, remove the eSIM, and re-add it using your carrier's QR code.
Method 8. Test in safe mode. Press and hold the power button, then long press power off on screen. Tap Safe Mode. If Wi-Fi calling works in safe mode, a third-party app is causing the conflict. Restart normally and uninstall recently installed apps one by one.
Wi-Fi calling has 2 preference modes. Wi-Fi preferred always routes calls over Wi-Fi, which is ideal for homes with poor cellular signal. Mobile network preferred only uses Wi-Fi when cellular signal is weak. For best results, select Wi-Fi preferred.
How does Wi-Fi calling actually work? Your phone establishes a secure IPsAC tunnel through your Wi-Fi router to your carrier's EPDG gateway, then connects to the IMS core network. Voice data travels encrypted through this tunnel, giving you crystal clear calls even with 0 cellular signal.
If this video helped you fix Wi-Fi calling, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below with your experience. See you next time.